Hi viewers, today we're looking at the string comparison function in MySQL Workbench. We start by entering select and then the control spacebar and paging down to find the string comparison function keyword, which is there. I'm going to tab on that, and then within it I'm going to enter 1, 1. So the comparison is looking at the two expressions, and in this case the two expressions are equal to each other, so we'll see what it comes out with as a result. As you can see below in the results query, the string comparison has shown that the two values are the same, so it's returned 0. Now let's try and enter a value lower than the first value. So the second value in the array is lower than the first value in the array. I'm going to run that as well, see what that does. As you can see, if the second value is lower than the first value, it returns 1. Now I'm going to try a value for the second value in the array higher than the first value in the array. See what it comes out with. Because the second value in the array is higher than the first value, it's come out with -1, and that's a string comparison function in MySQL Workbench.